Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm Semi King here. I thought I'd show you my gaming rig. This is actually a re-upload of a video that I had before, just for the sake of better quality and a better run through of the computer itself. So, what you're looking at here is the Antec 900. This is the case. Great airflow, really keeps the computer cool, and I'll be able to show you how cool it actually keeps it here in a little bit. Nice design. This was a budget build of $800, and I did achieve that goal of $800. The whole build was indeed $800. So as we go over to the side of the case, you see I have a 120 millimeter side case fan here. This is blue by Cooler Master, and I think it looks really awesome. I like the blue effect that it gives. And going around to the front, we have two 120 millimeter case fans that are intaking, and as you can see, it looks like it's bending the light. I think I really like that feature when I first powered this up. I really did like that. And going over to the top, we have a 200 millimeter exhaust fan, nice and big, and for the size, it's really quiet. So I also do enjoy that. I'm glad it's not really loud. And coming over to the front, we have some connectors here. We have high definition audio and headphones, FireWire, and two USB ports, one which is connected with my wireless headset, hard drive activity light, and right here is a reset button. You probably can't make that out, but it's there. And going back around to the side of the case, first thing you've probably seen was those green cables. Now this is not a liquid cooled PC, it's just on air. It's all being cooled on air. That's actually just the power supply here that I have, that those cables are running from. It's a Logisys 650 watt power supply, which I'm most likely going to replace because it's actually pretty shitty. It's not a good power supply. I will be replacing that pretty soon. So since we're talking about the insides, let's just take you into the inside of the computer. The motherboard that I have here is the Evga P55 Sli motherboard, and as you can see, the Evga symbol is pulsing. I think that's the best feature of the whole computer. I really like that. That's really cool. It looks like it's alive and it has a beating heartbeat, so that's pretty cool. For CPU, I have a Core i7-860, not overclocked. I don't think I'm going to be doing the overclocking thing, because as you overclock, things get hot, and I don't really want to run on liquid cool as of right now. So liquid cooling, I really don't want to do that. So stock CPU fan right now. We have for RAM, we have the G.skill, 4 gigabytes. There are two 2 gigabyte modules which are running in dual channel. I think G.skill really is the way to go for RAM, that or Corsair, but yeah, G.skill is a really nice company for RAM. My video card here I have is the Nvidia GTX 250. Currently not running an SLI, but I may do that. I might think about going in SLI. That'd be nice. And as you can see here, the case does include 2 ports for liquid cooling if I did want to do that. And that green color you see is because of the cables are sheathed in a neon green mesh, which is pretty cool. And as you can see right here, I have a 120 millimeter Cooler Master intake fan. This is actually intaking from the 2 in the front. It's all being pulled right along and exhausting off the back. That's what you want to make sure. You want to make sure you have pretty good airflow, so make sure you position the case fans right. And I have it's only one hard drive, 160 gigabyte Western Digital. I decided to go with just that. May get another one going RAID 0 maybe. And if you can make that out, that number there, 40, that's actually readout of the CPU speed or the CPU temperature. That's a constant readout of how hot it is. It's 40 degrees Celsius. That's how hot the CPU is, and that's pretty good. I mean, for max load, it only goes around 5 to 10 degrees hotter, which is actually pretty good. So, and that's also it shows debugging, all kinds of different features with that. It's pretty cool. And I do have a DVD writer, of course. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the gaming rig that I've been working on and finally completed not too long ago. I think I touched upon everything here. So, if you have any questions, comments, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions on your own gaming rig, if you need any help, please don't hesitate to comment. Feel free to ask any question. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. So this is my budget build of $800. This is M7 King. Thanks for watching.